Preheat your oven to 190°C. Butter 2 tins, line them carefully. In a bowl, mix sugar, butter so sweet. 4 beaten eggs, oh what a treat. It's a cake, oh it's a dream. Smooth batter like a gleam. Soft raisin flour and baking powder. 2 spoons of milk, mix it powder. Divide the mix into tins so fine. Smooth the top, it's baking time. 20 minutes till it's golden brown. Springs back when pressed, don't wear a frown. It's a cake, oh it's a dream. Smooth batter like a gleam. Soft raisin flour and baking powder. 2 spoons of milk, makes it prouder. Cool it down on a rack, let it be. Soften butter, oh so creamy. Ice and sugar sifted slow. Vanilla drop if you like it so. Buttercream on the bottom layer. Strawberry jam, oh what a player. Sandwich it with the second cake. Dust with ice and sugar for goodness sake. It's a cake, oh it's a dream. Smooth batter like a gleam. Soft raisin flour and baking powder. 2 spoons of milk, makes it prouder. Keep it in a box airtight, you see. Eat it in 2 days, it's a clean Victoria sponge, a delight so fine. Bake it, taste it, it's divine.